Wicked from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to talk about this super combo Pokémon 23-in-1 multi-game card. Our friends from China have been naughty again and they have released a new Nintendo DS multi-game card. So it indicates it works on 3DS. I have an old 3DS laying around, so I'm going to test it out on a DS and on a 3DS. Keep in mind, I don't know what kind of card is in this thing, but most of the time it's possible that it doesn't boot up on, let's say, your brand new 2DS XL. Just wanted to say it. I've noticed a lot of comments in the previous videos that people are having problem with this. This is always possible. Alright, so I really like what they're doing with this. This is the Pokemon bundle, so they're only Pokemon games. Captain Obvious moment. But if you like this collectible box, or you just want to have this in your collection, I think it is pretty damn awesome. So as you can see, here at the back we're finding all of the games. So it seems to be that they're mixing up the European version and US version over here. So we're going to test some things out. For example, can we save? That's something that a lot of people were asking. Right, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. There is no manual. No. We're only having this multi-game card. Let's open it up. Alright. Alright, so they are naughty, because as you can see here, we're having this little SD slot that we can pull out. So it basically is just a freaking flash card. So and yes, if you add more files to this, you can basically make your own multi-game card. It's just a flash card, keep that in mind. So what I really like about it is if you look at the label, it looks pretty nice. So okay, we're going to stick it in the 2DS and 3DS and let's see what happens. Alright, so let's grab this 2DS XL or DSi XL, man, confusing. DSi XL, alright, let's put it in. And it says Bomberman Land. Alright, let's zoom in. Alright, so basically it's just an R4 card and that is what we call very naughty. So the convenient thing about it is if you just want to remove or want to add games, it's just possible because it's just an R4. Alright, I'm going to grab my 3DS. It's not updated to the latest version. Yes, no, it's not updated to the latest version because I don't use it very often. But just for checking out if this card works. Keep in mind, 2DS XL and with the latest firmware can give you some problems. Right, let's see. Let's put it in. It seems to be recognized in my 3DS. It's loading. Ooh, naughty, it's working. But yeah, again, keep in mind, I don't have the latest firmware installed. So again, I'm not using this 3DS anymore. I'm just more like using the 2DS because I love the big screens. Alright, so it's possible that it is running on, let's say it's not running on only the 2DS versions. Because the older multi-cards had a lot of problems with newer models, for example the 3DS. Alright, so when booting up the game, what I've noticed that it's saying is saving or creating save file. So for the people are going to ask, yes, it seems to be we can save. So, alright, let's play a little bit of the game and it boots up and plays like the original so far. Alright people, so for the final conclusion regarding this super combo Pokemon pack, they are still doing it, that they are just grabbing a flashcard and slapping some games on it. I must say they're putting some effort in the casing itself or the cover. So for the people who just want to collect these, I think it's a fun collectible, but it's just a flashcard, so you can basically make it yourself. Just buy a flashcard, stick it in your DS, and that's what you're going to get. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.